How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 70 Nova SS done in rally green. Super cool little car. It's steel cowl hood. Tell you, the paintwork on the car's real slick and flat. Car's real straight down the sides. So all the grill and the hood moldings, everything look real good on the car. Bumpers have been re-chromed. Car's real straight, nice down the sides. Tell you, the rally green on this car really looks good. It's got the original SS tail panel. It's in real good shape. Rear bumper's been replaced. Tell you, the car's real straight, flat down the sides. This has got a 406 in it with a set of Iron Eagle heads on it. Got a nice little cam. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got a full pipes stainless exhaust all the way out the back. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got 12 bolt limited slip rear. So all the interior's real nice. It's all been replaced. Grant steering wheel there. We do have the factory original steering wheel. See, all the interior's real nice. Headliner's real tight and nice. All the jams look real good. Real solid car. Very, very solid car. That's a factory spare. The jack is all still intact in the car. A little windy out today, and just got to bear with us. We haven't had a lot of good weather. Got a nice AM FM CD stereo mounted in the dash there, real nice. Again, it's got a 406 in it. Makes good power. Tell you, it's a blast to drive. Side lights and everything all work in it. Really cool car. Got brand new Rev Classics on it, 17-inch. Backup lights and everything all work in it. It's just a super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.